In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename project in Supabase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, how to find your project quickly, and how to safely update its name without affecting your databases or APIs. Start by opening your browser and signing into your Supabase account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the main area where your organization's projects are listed. This is your hub for everything you've created. If you manage several projects, this page keeps them all in one place so you can make changes confidently. If you don't see your project immediately, use the search bar at the top of the projects list. Type a few letters of the current name to filter the results. This saves time, especially if you have a large workspace or similar project names. Click the project you want to rename to open it. That will take you into the project's dashboard where you can access all of its settings and tools. On the left-hand side, look for Project Settings. It's in the sidebar with your other configuration options. Select it to open the settings view. Inside Project Settings, you'll land on the General Settings area. Here you'll see a field labeled Project Name. Click into that field and type the new name you want to use. Aim for something clear and descriptive so your team knows what the project contains at a glance. Many teams include the environment or purpose in the name, like storefront, production, or analytics staging. Avoid using anything sensitive in the name and keep it concise for cleaner navigation. Once you've entered the new name, look for the button to save your changes. Click Save Changes to apply the update. You should see the new name reflected in the header and anywhere the project name is displayed in the dashboard. If the Save button is disabled, double-check that you actually changed the text or that you haven't exceeded any character limits. A quick note on what this change does and does not do. Renaming a project only updates the display name in the Supabase dashboard. It does not modify your database schema, credentials, API keys, or endpoints. Your applications and integrations will continue working as before. If you collaborate with others, consider letting your team know about the new name so everyone stays aligned. And that's it. You've successfully renamed your project in Supabase using the dashboard settings.